Welcome to BizTech, where digital innovation meets real-world impact. We're transforming how cities, industries, and communities interact with technology. Using AI, digital twins, and the photorealistic metaverse, we optimize urban planning, enhance industrial efficiency, and create immersive educational and collaborative spaces. This isn't just tech, it's the future, and it's happening now. Let's dive in.
How BizTech builds photorealistic digital twins. This interactive environment, created for the city of Montgomery, is powered by Gaussian splatting, a cutting-edge process that merges high-resolution video in LiDAR scans. We captured over 5 kilometers of the city. An AI-driven pipeline transforms this data into splats, each encoding color, opacity, and depth to generate a seamless, lifelike 3D experience. Unlike traditional photogrammetry, Gaussian splatting excels at managing complex geometry without stitching errors, delivering an accurate and fully immersive environment. It is the largest area ever rendered in real time using this technology. The BizTech platform brings the entire city to your fingertips, allowing planners to simulate, test, and decide before the first move is made. Welcome to the Curiosity Lab's next frontier, a fully photorealistic digital twin of the entire facility. Accessible from any device, anywhere in the world, this immersive environment connects people to real spaces in real time. Step inside as your own avatar and experience every corner of the facility firsthand. Interact with your surroundings and see operations exactly as they are, or as they could be. Shift perspectives instantly, from detailed first-person exploration to an intuitive isometric view. You can navigate the full floor plan, monitor activity, and maintain a bird's-eye view of ongoing operations. From IoT sensors to environmental controls, we aggregate data from countless devices and simulate outcomes before taking action. Visualize critical data at a glance. Here, a live temperature heat map is seamlessly overlaid on the 3D model, integrating sensor data from across the facility into a single actionable display. Meet HAL8122, your Agentic AI administrator. HAL can answer questions, run simulations, analyze patterns, and directly control connected systems, making every aspect of the facility smarter and more responsive.
Introducing BizTech's Agentic AI. Meet HAL8122, BizTech's cognitive AI agent, bridging virtual worlds and real-time decisions in one unified control system. HAL listens, sees, and understands. It deciphers voice, text, and visuals, adapting instantly to your commands and environment. In smart cities, HAL operates behind the scenes, optimizing mobility, safety, and infrastructure through intelligent orchestration. From factories to smart offices, HAL connects to devices, systems, and sensors, commanding workflows and automating operations. In immersive training and education, HAL adapts content in real time, delivering personalized, voice-activated learning experiences. In critical missions, HAL delivers precision, synthesizing data, guiding response teams, and predicting outcomes before they unfold. No downloads, no friction. HAL streams intelligence to any browser, controlling assets across virtual and physical domains. Let me show you how HAL can enhance the experience of visitors to your company's website. Hi HAL, what can BizTech do for our industrial operations? Give a short answer, please.
BizTech can revolutionize your industrial operations by creating a digital twin of your facilities. This allows for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimization of manufacturing processes using AI. With BizTech, you can enhance efficiency, safety, and supply chain management, all while staying compliant with industry standards.
We need to reduce downtime and improve team training. Can you help?
Absolutely. BizTech can reduce downtime by using AI to predict and prevent maintenance issues before they occur. With fully immersive and interactive 3D environments, BizTech provides realistic training simulations, enabling your team to practice handling complex scenarios safely. This enhances their skills, reduces errors, and ultimately leads to more efficient operations.
We have international teams. Can you work in different languages?
Yes, I can respond in multiple languages. BISTECH's platform supports multilingual interactions, making it easier for international teams to engage with the system. This ensures seamless communication and efficient collaboration across diverse languages and regions.
That's impressive. Can you do more than just advise us?
Certainly, BISTECH's Agentic AI can autonomously manage operations, simulate outcomes, and coordinate across domains. It can proactively make decisions, manage workflows, and even trigger real-world actions. Whether it's optimizing manufacturing lines, managing supply chains, or enhancing training programs, BISTECH's AI is designed for active and intelligent engagement.
That's exactly what we need. Can you prepare a tailored integration plan for our sites?
I'm glad to hear that you're interested in a tailored integration plan. To get started, I'll need some contact information from you. Could you please provide either an email address or phone number so our team can reach out to you with a customized solution?
My email address is lisa@wonderful.com.
Thank you, Lisa. I'll proceed with sending your information to our team to prepare a tailored integration plan for your sites. They will contact you via email at lisa@wonderful.com to discuss your needs in more detail.
HAL 8122, an autonomous AI presence that doesn't just respond. It thinks, evolves, and leads. The future of smart interaction starts here.
The future of education isn't coming, it's already here. Introducing BISTECH's Metaverse for education. This isn't just a platform, it's a living, breathing ecosystem where learning, collaboration, and smart campus management all come together. BISTECH is accessible from any computer or mobile device, anywhere in the world. It scales effortlessly from one learner to thousands in a shared environment. Thanks to cloud rendering, even the oldest devices deliver cutting-edge graphics. Explore the campus, meet new people, talk face-to-face using real voice and video. With integrated matchmaking, students can form study groups or just make friends, instantly. Real-world classes can be projected into the metaverse in real time or delivered entirely in the virtual space using whiteboards, screen sharing, and collaboration tools. 10 students or 10,000, no walls, no limits.
In the BISTECH Metaverse, thousands of users exist together in a shared world.
Step into ancient cities, abstract simulations, or futuristic labs. VR lets educators build immersive training environments where students learn through doing. Our environments can be filled with AI-powered characters you can speak to, each with their own history, experiences, and life, matching the environment.
I've seen so much that really opened my eyes. Like, just last week, I heard stories from people who tried to register to vote and were turned away because of their race. It's heartbreaking.
At the heart of it all is HAL 8122, BISTECH's Agentic AI. It listens, it acts, it thinks. From voice control of the virtual world to real-world building automation, HAL connects it all.
HAL, show me population density.
With a single command, HAL can take control of HVAC, lights, optimize energy, and much more at a device-by-device level. Maximize efficiency with an AI who is always on and always thinking. HAL 8122 can manage an entire campus or a single asset, reducing costs and effort. HAL not only thinks, it sees. HAL can watch for signs of cheating, AI-generated content, or struggling students. Its vision model can understand what's written on screens, or even on paper, respond accordingly, and generate reports. BISTECH is redefining education. Accessible, scalable, intelligent. The classroom has no walls. The students have no borders. This is education, unlimited.
We are BizTech, and we'd love to hear from you.